Okay, everyone. Hello again. This is Gabby, and this is my. Hold on, let me fix this. This is my tool report number 3, and as you can see, I've just made a little bit of progress. I've been a little bit busy with my other classes, but I've been able to work on this a little bit, not as much as I would like to, but obviously, I will work on it as much as I can at a later date. And I'm still using Marvel app to try and develop my app and make it look like how I want to. However, I wanted to show you guys how I have been progressing a little bit, and I found this tool that actually shows you how kind of like how your app looks. And on the previous video I explained a little bit about how I was struggling to figure out a way to make the buttons click and for everything to work and everything. So I just want to show you guys how this actually shows the way the app could look like and actually work. So I've been able to make it work a little bit. So for example, this would be like your home page, and if you click on my profile, it would send you to your profile, and this is where you would have like your classes and everything, and just like your schedule and your safe spots and everything, and you actually click on this and it takes you back, which is pretty cool. And then eventually here is would be this little thing right here, this icon, would be how to look for a spot. See, it tells you how to find a parking spot. So, obviously I haven't worked on the button for this, so I can't go back. So I actually have to exit out of it and just click play again. But then it'll show you, like, eventually I will make the buttons work and everything, so it flows nicely. And then this would be, like, your location, like, where you are. Just let it access and just locate you. So I think it's pretty cool just to see how the app just comes together, and the little tweaks you have to make and the details and everything you have to do. So obviously it has more work to do, but I'm sure it's going to look great, and I'm getting better at using this application and this just kind of making an app, and I'm pretty confident I'll be able to make something that will look very nicely in the future.